Welcome to this tutorial on Domino's promo codes, your guide to saving money on your favorite pizzas and sides. To get started, let's define what a promo code is. A promo code is a special code that you can use at checkout to receive a discount on your order. First, you need to find a valid Domino's promo code. You can find these codes on the Domino's website, social media pages, or through email newsletters. Some popular codes include discounts on specific menu items, buy one get one free deals, and percentage off your total order. Once you have a promo code, it's time to place your order. Go to the Domino's website or open the Domino's app and start building your order. Add your desired pizzas, sides, and desserts to your cart. When you're ready to check out, click on the promo code box and enter your code. Make sure to read the terms and conditions of the promo code to ensure you meet the requirements. Some codes may have minimum purchase requirements or be limited to specific menu items. If your code is valid, you'll see the discount applied to your order. Some best practices to keep in mind when using Domino's promo codes include always checking the expiration date, using only one code per order, and reading the fine print. You can also combine promo codes with other offers, such as discounts for students or military personnel. To maximize your savings, consider signing up for the Domino's Rewards program. This program allows you to earn points for every purchase, which can be redeemed for free menu items. You'll also receive exclusive promo codes and offers through the program. In conclusion, using Domino's promo codes is a great way to save money on your favorite food. By finding valid codes, understanding the terms and conditions, and combining them with other offers, you can enjoy your favorite pizzas and sides at a discounted price. Remember to always check the expiration date and read the fine print to ensure you get the most out of your promo code.